welcome. Today on It Matters, we're discussing happiness. How do you know when you're truly happy? Is it a smile you have on your face, laughing with friends, or a special feeling in your heart? Each person defines happiness for themselves. There are as many ways to be happy as there are people on the planet. In the current state of the world, happiness has become more valuable than money. In fact, the latest happiness report in 2022 states that people at all economic levels rank it as one of their most important priorities. If you can figure out what you want in life, you'll be well on your way to the path towards happiness. The most significant thing to remember in your quest for happiness is that it's a choice. You can choose to be happy now, no matter what your circumstances you find yourself in. Happiness matters because it's the fuel of our lives, providing the foundation for everything we do in the world. For more details, listen to the full podcast version at projectgoodpodcast.com or download the episode Happiness on iTunes or iHeartRadio. Now, are you ready for change? The world needs you. If you're a change maker with a passion for an unserved community, a social justice problem, or want to change minds, contact Project Good Work at projectgood.work to start your project of change today. Subscribe to our mailing list and get 10% off any project. Thanks for listening. Bye.